So this is what's on the menu tonight in a day in my life. Veal saltimbocca, never even heard of that, with marsala sauce. Never had it. Soon find out what it's like. Got all my ingredients lined up here. Butter, I've got a bit more butter there. I'm doing some mashed potato with this. You don't have to have mashed potato, but cheese and wine, anybody? I'm going for a 5-mile run later, so I'm gonna stock up on some carbs and some fillet steak roast veal. I've had this before and it's actually really nice, love it. And sage, basil and mint are my favourite, but sage is a second close, that's for sure. It smells gorgeous. I think my cat liked it as well, actually. Middles. Middles. Sage. Sage. Maybe she doesn't like it. Middles, encore cat food? Is that a yes? It's not out of the tin yet, you can't smell anything. Anyway, back to business. Let's give the veal a good bashing. Take that. Have you ever had taleggio cheese? It looks mouldy. Like, I would actually throw that in the bin if I didn't know what it was. I mean, I don't know what it was. Maybe it is mouldy. It smells mouldy. I think it's how it's supposed to be though. Let me just check the sell-by date. Nope, it's definitely in date. Very sad news, I ran out of spec, so one poor little piece of veal has been wrapped in run of beans instead. I'm going to put one of these in, cheese side down apparently. Should be red wine, but I don't actually cook with alcohol, so red wine vinegar is actually, I quite like the vinegar actually. Poured some chicken stock, now I'm going to turn the mash off, that should be done.